How to download TikTok Lite. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to download the TikTok Lite application, what you have to do is just go to your Play Store application. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. Then on the search bar, just search for TikTok Lite. Now it will look something like this. So just tap on install and it will get installed on your device and you will be able to download the application. Now after tapping on install, you can install and get the application, but you need to log into your account. It might be via your Gmail account, your Facebook, or your email account in the device itself, and you'll be able to enjoy the application. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.